G'day, I'm Lewis Meeny and follow along with me in today's Building Block Masterclass as I take you through how to turn your block kit into a house. I'm building this with my accent building blocks, which you can collect for free when you buy 8 litres or more of accent paint. We're going to be using pieces from the store, the ute, and the extra blocks. Let's get started. So we're going to take the base plate from the store as well as some of the larger panels and the door. We take these larger panels, we can start creating the walls, putting in our door, and using some of the smaller panels as well. I'm going to leave a little bit of a gap between this large panel because what house is complete without a window? So we'll start with this block with the studs facing forward, add on one of the windows from the back of the ute, as well as using some smaller pieces to create a little bit of shade over the top of the window, like so, and then filling in the top with a couple of extra pieces here. This little submodel we're going to then stick in that little gap, and we now have the basic bottom floor of our house. We're then going to be taking the awning from the store as is, so we'll take a few of these plate blocks, attach them to the back, which is just giving us a little bit of a mounting point so that we can add these little sub-assemblies. So we've now got this little roof section, which we're just going to attach like so. Now to finish off the top of the roof, I've used some of the extra blocks and the blocks from the store to create this little roof and attic space, which is going to let us put the remaining window from the back of the ute. And then this little submodel is just going to attach to the top of the roof, and there we have it, a completed house which is ready for some customization with some of the extra blocks from the tin. And that's today's masterclass. Show us what you can build and you could win a $250 Mitre 10 voucher. Snap, share, and tag your creation with Accent Building Blocks on Instagram to go in the running. Visit the website for more details, plus more masterclass videos and handy building hacks with me. It's time to get building.